Hello everyone, welcome to this session on becoming a blockchain developer in 2025. Today, I'll walk you through what blockchain development is, the different types of roles you can find in blockchain companies, and the skills you need, and the best resources to learn from. I know it can be confusing figuring out where to start, but I'll do my best to break it down step by step so you have a clear roadmap by the end of this video. So watch till the end. Let's begin. Blockchain development is about creating software that runs on distributed network of computers. These networks use consensus mechanisms so that no single entity controls all the data. When people hear blockchain, they often think of Bitcoin or Ethereum, but there's more to it. You can build smart contracts, decentralized applications, and entire ecosystems that give users control over their data. It's a fascinating field because it combines programming, security, cryptography, and economics. As the technology matures, more businesses are exploring how to use blockchain for their own products and services, which is why developers in this space are so in demand. In many blockchain companies, there is a range of developer roles, not just smart contract person. Front-end devs work on how the user interacts with the DApp. Backend devs might manage servers, database, and handle off chain data. If you love the idea of writing smart contracts, then you might become a blockchain developer focused on Solidity. If you are curious about underlying protocols, you might jump into Go or Rust to work on the network layer itself. And if you prefer teaching, community building, or technical writing, you could explore developer relations or community moderator roles as well. Let's start with front-end developer. So, a front-end developer in a blockchain company builds user interfaces for dApps and connects UI with blockchain via libraries like Ethers.js or Web3.js. Front-end developers make the dApp look and feel good. You'll handle frameworks like React or Vue to display information from the blockchain in a friendly way. You'll also integrate wallet connections like MetaMask so users can interact with smart contracts. If you're interested in this path, be sure to check out Code Eater's playlist on blockchain basics because you still need to know how the blockchain works behind the scenes. Once you grasp that, you can move on tutorials and show how to connect a front-end app to Ethereum test network. Next, let's talk about a backend developer. So a backend developer manages servers, databases, and API integrations, might interact with blockchain nodes or off-chain data. Backend developers in a blockchain context often deal with tasks that require traditional web development experience. You might be running a node that requires blockchain, storing data in relational or NoSQL database, or offering APIs that other services can call. For instance, if you are building a platform that needs to show transaction history, you might keep a local cache for faster lookups. Knowledge of Node.js, Python, Go can be really helpful. You'll also want to look into services like Infura or Alchemy, which lets you connect Ethereum without running your own full node. Now let's talk about blockchain developer. So a blockchain developer writes smart contracts for Ethereum or EVM compatible chains or Solana, Aptos, etc. Uses tools like Remix, Hardhat, and Foundry. This role is for those who want to work directly with smart contracts. Solidity is the main language for writing contracts on Ethereum and similar blockchains. You will need to learn the language syntax, common libraries, and especially security best practices. I'll suggest starting with Code Eater Solidity Basics to get grounded. Then there is a video that is Solidity in 4 hours, beginner to expert by Naz. Definitely go check that out. And then you can check out websites like Speedrun Ethereum or Crypto Zombies, and there are very good courses that are made by Patrick Collins, full-length courses of 38 hours, 21 hours, completely explaining you the blockchain development. Now let's talk about developer relations or community moderator. Helps developers understand and adopt the project's tech, creates documentation, tutorials, and organizes events. Developer relations, also known as DevRel, is about teaching and supporting the community. If you enjoy explaining how stuff works or writing guides, you might shine here. You still need a technical foundation. Nobody wants a DevRel person who can not write or understand basic smart contracts. But the real focus is on education, support, and bringing communication between users and the core tech team. You might manage a Discord, create workshops, or speak at conferences. It's a unique mix of technical skills and communication skills. So, if that sounds like you, keep this role in mind. Now, let's talk about key steps to becoming a blockchain developer in 2025. First is learning programming fundamentals. There is no single right way to do this, but a good approach is starting with general programming skills. Get comfortable in JavaScript, Python, or C++, then watch Code Eater's blockchain basics or any other introductory material to understand how blockchains store and validate data. Next, pick a focus area. Do you want to code user interfaces? Do you want to write smart contracts? Do you want to hack on the underlying protocol? Your choice might depend on what excites you. After that, practice. Build a small D app or run through the speedrun Ethereum website. Also, security is huge in blockchain. Contracts hold real money, so mistakes can be costly. Finally, get out there, join Discords, attend hackathons, put your projects on GitHub, and so people can see what you have done. So I have few good resources that you can start with. So there is a blockchain full course by Code Eater. He explains how blockchain works. And there is a Ethereum full course by Code Eater and a Solidity full course as well. Then maybe if you want to start into Solidity, you can watch the Solidity in 4 hours beginner to expert video by Nas. And then you can maybe start with a full course Solidity Smart Contracts by Patrick Collins, and the Smart Contract Programmer go in depth on advanced topics. So you can check out videos by the Smart Contract Programmer as well on YouTube. But overall, the demand remains solid because more industries are exploring this technology. You might find opportunities in finance, gaming, supply chain, or even identity solutions. Salaries vary by location and experience, but they can be quite competitive compared to regular dev roles. Don't be discouraged by the market dips. Just keep growing your skills, and once you build a strong portfolio, you can stand out in this field. If you are already working as a developer, one of the easiest way to pivot is to see if your current company is dipping its toes into blockchain. Many companies would rather upskill existing devs than hire from scratch. Offer to build a small proof of concept. You could say, I'm messing around with a smart contract, want to see if it can help with the business process. If you want to find jobs in the blockchain field, few websites I'm going to tell you. One is Crypto Jobs List. Here you can find all kinds of roles in blockchain. Then you can also follow Web3 Career. Here also you can find all types of jobs. And also there are many other websites like this one, web3.co. Here also you can find a lot of roles in blockchain. Before we wrap up, remember that blockchain is always changing. New chains, new frameworks, and new security concerns pop up all the time. Keep an eye on the latest updates. Communities on Reddit or Discord can be a goldmine for advice, job leads, and general support. If you like explaining things or organizing events, developer relations could be a fun path for you. If any case, make sure you share your work, put your projects out on GitHub, write a quick blog post, or talk about them in hackathons. That's how you stand out. That's it for our roadmap on becoming a blockchain developer in 2025. Good luck on your blockchain journey. If you found this helpful, you can like this video, subscribe to my channel for more such videos. See you next time.